Welcome back to the First Mold channel. We've talked about insert structure, we've covered thermal management, and now it's time to get our hands dirty. Let's talk insert machining. Let's dive right in. In real machining, long inserts like this one tend to warp slightly, either from internal stress relief or local overheating. And guess what? It almost always shows up during roughing. That's why we don't just charge through it in one go. We follow a multi-stage machining and natural dwell strategy to keep things under control. First up, roughing. We go in with big layered cuts, evenly distributed across both sides. That way, internal stress gets released gradually. Once roughing's done, we let it sit for 8 to 12 hours or give it a quick low-temp stress relief. The idea is, let the part settle before it moves on. Then comes finishing. Now we're working with micro tools, f.3 to 0.5 mm. Paired with high-speed spindles. The cutting path, we ditch the long straight runs. Instead, we use a segmented, step-by-step progression to avoid localized heat buildup. Think of it as trimming in sections, not dragging a hard blade across the whole thing. And the critical alignment edges, we save those for last, after the insert has fully relaxed, to lock in dimensional accuracy and form stability. With this approach, we cut down the risk of stress-related shift or thermal distortion. For inserts like this, even a 0.02 mm deviation can wreck assembly, causing friction, interference, or worse, scrapping the whole part. That's why smart toolpaths and stage-by-stage control aren't optional. They're what make precision possible. Some shapes just aren't meant for milling, especially when consistency matters. In these skinny inserts, some features, like deep grooves, sharp tapers, and tricky corners, are beyond the reach of CNC or even EDM. That's where Wire EDM steps in. We use a discharge gap of just 0.060 meter with rough cut, finish cut, and polish cut phases. This brings us down to surface roughness below RA 0.2 mm, tight enough for precision fit. We use Wire EDM to finish the profile loop and correct for seam interference. This is what we call closing the loop. In this episode, we focused on two core processes, CNC milling and Wire EDM grinding. But next time, we're heading into the tricky spots, the hard-to-reach corners. What are we talking about exactly? Well, you'll have to wait and see. Thanks again for sticking with the First Mold channel. Drop us a comment if this got you thinking. See you in the next one.